Alright, so here we've got a 5,000 BTU 112 ugly box. Over here we got a 5,000 BTU 134 pretty box. Therefore we're going to be doing an opening and installation of this one. Alright, here it is, 5,000 BTU. It's going to go in a bedroom, 11 SEER. It would appear the only difference between this one and the other one was the price and the color of the box. So here's your install stuff. The foam. Alright, so this one still has the bar. That may be the bar that goes at the top, but we'll see. Yeah, this should be pretty straightforward. So, everything looks good. We're going to be kind to this box and not tear it apart. Alright, so here it is. Pretty small. So this is your regular install. Comes with a bar. This bar right here. With this part that has to be screwed onto the top of the unit. Then the wings here attached to that. And there's a nice little slot on the bottom down here for the wing. You don't have to attach a silly little plastic thing like on the other one. So there's really not going to be too much to it. The window is going to be huge, so you have to do a little work, little woodwork. Alright, there it is. So the window is a good bit bigger than the window unit. So I had to do a little patch right here. And this is just temporary while I have the air conditioning system fixed in the house. Otherwise I might make that look a little bit prettier. But there it is. Hopefully that thing is sitting just cambered down to the right just a little bit. Have to get my level out, but that's pretty much the complete install for the day.